In this video, I will show you how to automatically save and download Instagram photos and videos and stories in your gallery. First of all, go to your Instagram profile page and from your profile, tap on this hamburger menu. And here scroll down and under your app and media section, just tap on data usage and media quality. And here, first of all, you have to enable upload at highest quality option. Then go back from this page and now tap on archiving and downloading. And here we can see save original photos. You have to enable save original photos and save to gallery option. And now on all of your photos and videos and stories automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram feed camera to your gallery. So now on, whenever you capture a photo or video or you create a story on your Instagram, all of them will be automatically saved in your gallery. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.